Mate.
Ah. Oh, now that might be a nice colour for a wrap. Hey guys, welcome to another video, another week on another Jaguar XF at another Wraptor. No, wait, the same Wraptor. Here we have a Jaguar XF Sportbrake, Sportbrake being the estate version. This car's going to receive our handling package. Now this is the first Sportbrake or estate one that we've done, so there's a couple of differences, a couple of new things. And it's also going to receive a full colour change wrap with our Wraptor signature wrap, Satin Black Rear end. Stay tuned to watch the progress. Pun 100% intended.
Mate.
Ah. Oh, now that might be a nice colour for a wrap. This one belongs to Andrew. Now he's already uplifted this car into kind of an RS replica. Now we're going to take it to the next level. Wrapped, done. Stage one, we're going to put it on the inspection lift. Stage two, while they're doing that, I'm going to go and have a cup of tea. Boss life. I'll be joining in, don't worry. But for now, one of them. Do you want one? Anybody else? Anybody else? I'm waiting for it. You've got a dishwasher? Yes, it's the best thing ever. Just goes on the countertop. Strip it real good. Yeah, we're going to do the song.
Yeah,
we're going to start a new song, Alex. We're always doing songs.
Yeah.
We're going to start this new one, yeah?
Okay.
Strip it real good.
There you go. I'll listen next.
Oh. Does this car still have sills? Yes. Yes, it does.
Yeah, this side looks worse than that side.
This side's worse, is it?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Bottom.
Bottom?
And if you look from under the car.
That's alright.
Look under the car.
Look under the car.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually under the car. Yeah, go on.
And yeah, it's a little brown, but that'll clean up. It's definitely metal and not rust, unlike the one the other day. Oh no! Yeah, needs a new one of these. Nice, because that also holds the rear section exhaust up. Nice ice cream wafer. Yeah. Well, we'll leave it alone for now. We'll tell him he needs a new one, and go from there, I think. Now we're stripped. We've decided it's easier to wrap the XF with the bonnet off, or hood if you're in America land, so you understand what I'm saying. And also, I bet you've never seen these British chocolates. Nom 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 nom. Maybe not so tasty. Anyway, now it's time for a deep clean and paint decontamination, and then we'll be laying down some lovely bogey colour. heavy soiling down there because it will probably get pulled up with the static.
Just leave the wiper.
Yeah. Sorry?
Just leave the wiper.
He doesn't want the wiper.
Why?
I know, I like a wiper.
Yeah,
I thought you were a full-on chav and you like de-wipering.
Yeah, I don't have wiper on my car, but this special. This special.
Yeah, I don't have a wiper, but he should have one.
Yeah, because he's good. He's not going off.
I don't think he wants it to go back on. So we can de-wiper it.
You're not pulling hard enough. Hold on.
No, it's breaking the wiper.
Breaking the plastic rather than the...
Yeah,
I bet the hook isn't going around the metal, is it? Is it just going around the plastic?
Yeah,
or
just plastic, isn't it?
can you adjust it so the claws go in more? Or...
Well, they were like touching the maximum.
Hmm.
It is so tight. It is just.
Well, Andrew wants to de-wiper the car. Now, I like a rear wiper. It serves a purpose. They're really handy. You should try one. But in this case, he would like a big Wraptor decal on the back window. So I guess in some respects I'm honoured that he'd rather not be able to clean his window in order to display a nice Wraptor sticker. That will go across there. Now the trouble is, if we left that on, if we put the decal on and left the wiper on, over time it would just sort of try and peel it off and make all the edges all flappy, and that's no good either. So Alex is now just trying to remove this without breaking it. No pressure. No pressure.
You have a grinder.
Pressure. Pressure. We can grind it, but you got to watch not to pit the glass.
Yeah.
So we can, but we'd have to protect the glass, basically. Have you tried swearing at it?
No.
No?
A little bit.
Not done this little job yet, eh?
No.
Oh, blimey. Got a special tool and everything. Eh?
Not working.
When's the last time you think it's been off?
20 years ago.
2013 when it was built.
Oh, I would say the
It's
wiper.
only 11 years ago.
Well, wiper's been here since 1970.
A few moments later.
Well, while Alex does that, I'm going to wipe Jimmy's arse. And trip over that as well.
A few minutes later.
Nothing's happening. Everything is fine. Don't do this at home, kids. Why are kids watching you cut a rear wiper off anyway? What?
A few inches later.
There's nothing will happen now, we've got most of it out. Come on, tucky tool. Minging. Yes. This reminds me of popping spots. Yeah. The car's got black heads. Is this how fudge is made? Is this where they get it from? Nom 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 nom. Oh, it's like fucking mushrooms. No. And the film we're going to be installing is by these guys. APA is part of their Ultrajet range, and the one we are going to be installing is bear with, is this, and it's called Kryptonite. I call it bogey. There's one panel done. I'm not showing you any more until later. You'll have to watch the rest in black and white. If we can do that. Can we do that, Roberto?
Yes, we can, mate. Let's do it.
Let's give it a go. Now I'm using a little thing called knifeless tape that allows us to cut the vinyl on the car into shapes without actually touching your paintwork with a blade. No scratches. Now, in your best Welsh accent, say it with me. We've got to put a bonnet on it, innit? A bonnet on it, innit? Oh, I know. Right, we're getting there. Alex is starting to do some rebuilding, and that's time for me to overlay the decals so it looks a little bit less odd, shall we say. Stay tuned and you'll see it all come together. I appreciate it, so thank you. You're welcome. And keep Dustin with us, nice and Dustin from another reveal video, owning a similar looking car.
The OG Wraptor car. The OG, first and first.
The original. Alright, you ready to see it?
I'm ready. We've been waiting.
Right, this is Jimmy Cricket.
Oh shit, that looks awesome. Right on, mate.
I'm going to bed.
Oh, holy shit. Yeah, that looks pretty amazing.
Looks 100 grand, doesn't it?
It's a special wrap.
It is.
It's everything I expected it to be.
And more.
Let's have one question, by the way. Where's my headlight stickers?
This is a fresh new thing.
Yeah, it's great. It's nice. And it's adapted to the Sportbrake with that rear tail really well.
Yeah.
First Sportbrake
is done and it really suits it, doesn't it?
Beast nice.
Window seals all in properly.
Yeah, it's all fitted.
Mirror caps fit properly.
Yeah.
Professionally done. No, thank you very much, Alex. 1,000 miles an hour. Brilliant.
It's got a handling package on it as well, so it's a little bit more squat.
I like it. I love it. Perfect.
You've got a plan what we're going to do, but until you see it in the flesh.
No, it's brilliant. It's absolutely fantastic.
Thanks guys for watching the transformation of Jimmy turn into Jimmy Cricket. If you like this, if you like Jaguars, car customization and more, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon as well so you can stay up to date with all our car related content and things like that. If you like this wrap, if you like the Wraptor signature wrap, please do get in touch. Details are in description. Thanks for watching. Wraptor Customs.